In our business, probably the most fun projects tend to be either jump form or building wraps. I'd like to speak for a couple of minutes about jump forms and firstly what they are, and secondly how to best get them up in the simplest possible fashion. A jump form in current construction trends is the concrete centre pillar of a building site, as you would have seen around the country. And the concrete's poured, it's got a cladding around the outside, tends to be something like Colorbond, and that hides what's going on behind it and for safety. And as the building grows, concrete gets poured in, it jumps. And so the jump form is the component that moves up the building as the new style buildings are being developed. What a wonderful opportunity for marketing either the brand of the construction company, the development, or the people that are moving in, hotels, etc. A couple of things. They're probably too complex to discuss in this simple video, but jump forms are really in two parts. You've got the printing and making of the signage, and then you've got the actual installation of the signage, which on a busy construction site tends to be the most complicated. The production of the signs from our perspective is very easy. We get the signage, we get the artwork, we build the signs, they're built and printed off-site, delivered to site. It's a really common run-of-the-mill for our everyday part of the business. Where things can get difficult is when we get called to install the signs. So, are we at the very early part of the jump? Can we access it from the ground? Can we use a scissor lift? If it's not near the ground and we don't have access to boom lifts or scissor lifts, the only other option is crane, which tends to put pressures on the actual building cycle and timeframes on the site. So my advice is before catching up with me, or give me a call, sorry, I should say, is to have a really clear understanding of what you're chasing. Within a few hours, I can build a quote. I tend to handle the jump forms in this business, and we can discuss exactly what you're looking for and what sort of impacts you need, what faces, etc. Thanks.